Christopher, where's my fork? Where's my fork? Fork, wait! Hey guys, two bald black guys in Tampa, Florida. We are here at the market, and the Sanwa Farmers Market, but we're going here and check out some great things. Hopefully we find some fantastic seafood here that's local and close and tasty and delicious, as well as some other interesting things. But two bald black guys about to go in here and we'll share with you what we find. So until momentarily, peace.
So welcome again to the adventures of the two bald black guys. We're on location here out in Tampa, Florida. Just sourcing some product for potential events with clients. So we're going to different farmers markets, checking out some of the local fare in terms of produce and protein and all of those things that we need to do a fantastic meal for clients. So we're at Sanwa Farmers Market, and this place is amazing. Fresh, farm to table product. That's what we're looking for. Seeing the different types of ingredients that are local to this community. So stay tuned for what we come up with.
Gotta go in my kitchen.
This is what a farmer's market should be like. We've got a lot of fresh herbs that you can buy here and take home and grow. That's something I'll be working on soon, but we'll keep you what an incredible selection of beans and grains, and some that you're familiar with, but some things honestly I've never quite seen before. A Peruvian bean, that's interesting. Some great lentils and black beans and lentils, and what is this? Bulgur wheat. Okay, some interesting things. I love it. Kidney beans.
What you doing, bald black guy?
I am just admiring this great selections of legumes and beans.
What you gonna do? Make some rice and peas or something?
There you go. That's a good option. And use some of our bon appetit, y'all, seasoning. There you go. So, these, something that I absolutely love, these miniature bananas. You don't see these very often, even at the farmers market in Atlanta. You get them periodically by chance, but to be able to come to a store and they have them in multiple quantities. I love these on a fruit platter, just something totally different, and just sort of inserting them into a beautiful display of fruit. Very different, but I love this, the miniature bananas. Just in case you didn't know how miniature they are. All right, now you see how miniature they are. They aren't full-blown.
So I'm going in, y'all, to the produce and meat department. I'm going in here. Yeah. And as I pierce the curtain, pierce the curtain. Oh yeah. It's about 86 degrees here. Beautiful sunshine. I see a whole lot of things that I can make this salsa with. Yeah, that might be the thing that we put on the table for dinner tonight. A nice salsa.
All right, guys, they've got some really interesting produce here. I believe that must be the cocoa fruit. It's got to be. But some melons, some really cool stuff. This is interesting. What is this? Dragon fruit. White dragon fruit. I've seen it before. I've never tasted it. I'd be curious to see how that is. And of course, the infamous pomegranate. What is these? What is these? That sounded so country. What are these? These are Mama Chiti's Mexican guavas. Okay, I bet you that's some probably some tasty things there. But I just love the variety of produce and things that they have here. So I'll point out some other really interesting things as I run across them. But this farmers market is fantastic. It's a really huge market with some really fun stuff. And oh, what is this? Oops. Oh, garbanza, fresh chickpea. Interesting. Now I have to be honest and say that I have never seen these before. Not like this anyway. And dried figs. Yeah, I am familiar with that. Actually, we've got a fig vinaigrette that we're coming out with at Bon Appetit, y'all, by Carlton and our Pantry Picks line. So keep in tune for that. All right, guys, this is a heads up. So we're really disappointed here, and I'm not saying that this is the final answer. Oh, that's interesting. Some frog legs. Okay, but unfortunately, all of their seafood, well, I won't say all, we just haven't ventured the entire store yet, but in this section, everything is frozen. We were looking and hoping for some really fresh stuff. Do y'all have any fresh seafood? No fresh seafood? Oh my God. Okay. No fresh seafood. Okay, so, but anyway, we will press on, okay? So that's a little bit disappointing. Oh, look at these nice size little shrimp, but yeah, it could have been better if they were fresh, some fresh. So all right, so you still have the two bald black guys here in the farmers market in Tampa. What's the name of the farmers market again? San Juan. These are quite interesting. These, I'm not even going to try to pronounce them. We'll just stick to the sour pear name here, but very interesting. This is more of the Latin-inspired fruits and so forth. We've got a green skin avocado. Those are huge. Those are really, really large. I don't think I've ever seen an avocado that large before. Very huge. Chayote. I've seen these, but I've never tried them. Then, of course, you've got your regular avocados and your tomatillas. Yes, some great items for your. Oh, okay. They've got some of the green bananas and papayas and so forth. So, and your cactuses. So, a little bit of everything here. Now this is fun, guys. Look at these long peas. Long peas. You've got your French haricot vert, English peas, but those are fascinating. These are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Cranberry beans, just gorgeous. These are very interesting. I am not sure what the hell this is, but it's unique. This looks like kohlrabi. I guess that's how you pronounce it. These are quite interesting. I'd be curious as to see what to do with those and how to incorporate those into a meal. And then we got our yellow beans. These are interesting banana blossoms. I can honestly say I've never heard of or even knew such a thing existed. Romano beans. So we've got some really fun. Oh, these are cool. These are cool. Chives. Just the flower part of the chives. So some fun things here, man. I guess you can get really creative with some really interesting dishes here. And now guys, we're getting down to the real deal. You've got your true yucca plants and Malanga Bianca. Christopher, what do you have to say about all this?
So, I mean, we can really go with some Latin cuisine.
Some fun stuff here,
Beautiful
man.
stuff, yeah.
Fun stuff. Malanga Blanca. I was just showing the all the different beans we have over here, which are really unique. These are huge, absolutely huge. Yellow yams. Okay, now we're talking about true yams. You know, we say yams in the States, but our yams are not real yams. You know, it's because the sweet potato does not make it a yam. These are purple yams and just some really fun stuff. What is this? This is really interesting. Very interesting. It looks boniato. Interesting. Not sure what it is.
Listen, I'm finding this, you know, we got some good ginger root here, and this turmeric is absolutely delicious.
This is I find interesting, Chris, because I've only known turmeric in the powder form. I've never seen it how it comes originally. So that's beautiful, and that's very interesting. Very interesting. And this, they say, well, it's Thai ginger. Thai ginger. So I'm familiar. Of course, we're all familiar with just ginger, but
so we need to get some of this Thai ginger root and get
Look
some.
at this artichoke.
Yeah,
sunchoke.
Yeah.
I've never had sunchoke. I've choked before, but I've never had sunchoke. Okay. And
so, like I was saying, we can get some of this ginger root here, Carlton, and maybe find some Thai basil. Use some of this turmeric here and make a really good sauce. Because I'm thinking we're going to do some seafood today.
That sounds
this
good.
Bok choy is absolutely delicious.
Stunning.
Yeah,
that is beautiful and stunning. But grab some of that baby bok choy over there. Look at that. That is so pretty.
So that's going to look nice on the
Gorgeous.
plate.
Yeah, that's a beautiful. That can make a beautiful dish right there. So they've got some really cool stuff here. All right. So some more just beautiful baby bok choy. So
A lot of fresh
here,
stuff, yeah. So we can prepare that farm to table meal, getting some of these local flavors, some of these local ingredients here. Yeah.
Well, guys, that completes our trip today at the San Juan Farmers Market. Great time, some really fun and interesting and new food produce that I've never seen, not in person. Seen a lot of it on TV, but it was pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And until next time, and my partner Christopher is way up the street somewhere, but anyway, from Two Ball Black Guys here at Tampa's Farmers Market, we'll see you next time. Bon appetit, y'all.
Y'all, the adventure of Two Ball Black Guys continues. We're getting ready to walk into Cox Seafood, see what they got in here. We should be able to get some fresh seafood up in this baby. So we're gonna walk in and see what's up. So y'all, I am, look at that Ball Black Guy right there. That's one of the two. Here's the other two. Oh, we gotta take a number. Take a number. Look, y'all, I'm getting some. This stuff looks awesome. Awesome. I found what I'm looking for, y'all.
Christopher and I, the Two Ball Black Guys, and we just picked up a few items, some seafood that we are taking back to Atlanta. What do we get?
Blue crab and some really beautiful shrimp and this wonderful seasoning mix that they make. You can only get the seasoning mix at Carlton.
I can't
That's
wait
one of the
to.
reasons why I came here.
Yeah, I cannot wait. We tried the blue crab, but they had some really. Oh, that sausage. What was it? Pork and.
Yeah, let's pull this. What is that sausage?
Pork and what was it? It's really good.
Yeah, look at that.
Pork and alligator. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Pork and alligator
pork and
sauce. I can't
alligator.
wait to
Gotta
cook
try
with that. Oh yeah.
So, and this young lady back here with this pretty smile, she was just
Wonderful.
so helpful with us
Wonderful.
today. But it's a great restaurant. I mean, seafood restaurant here. You can see it's a nice crowd in here. Everybody's waiting to get their products today. There you go. Look at that. Now that's all the reason to come. So, you guys, take care.
Think about shipping.
All right, so guys, two bald black guys.
Bon
here.
appetit, y'all.
We'll see you later. Bye bye.
So y'all, here we are in Tampa, Florida. One of the episodes of Two Bald Black Guys. And I'm hanging out with my sister Kathy, and there's that other bald black guy. Yeah. So we're at Coppertail Brewery. Is that right, sis? Yes. And so this is where they make one of my favorite brews when I come to Tampa. It is a local beer called Unholy. Fantastic. So watch for more in this episode. Y'all, look at that thing. I'm not talking about my sister. Get your eyes off my sister. But here we are. That is gorgeous, and it goes down so well. Unholy!
Imagination, exactly. But this is a good beer. I can handle this. I like it.
Look at that. Look at that golden color. And I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about this beer, y'all. So, Two Bald Black Guys with occasional occasions catering.
It's a really cool vibe here. And we're just sitting here on a Saturday afternoon, getting ready to go out and enjoy the city. So from say hey, Chris. There you go. The two bald black guys.
I'm the handsome one, right?
No, that's got to be me. Take care and bon appetit, y'all. Bye bye.